Everyone thinks the best-selling paint sprayer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Wib&Tell Paint Sprayer. The Wib&Tell Paint Sprayer, priced at just $37.98. What caught my eye is its affordable price paired with some interesting features. If you want a user-friendly sprayer for home projects without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This sprayer offers 3 spray patterns and 4 brass nozzles, which means you can tackle both large surfaces and detailed work. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're painting furniture or tackling a big wall, having the right nozzle and spray pattern can make a world of difference in achieving even coverage. Plus, with an 800 milliliter tank, you won't constantly be refilling it. Now, some people mention that the sprayer can clog if the paint isn't thinned properly. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and use the right paint consistency, it works really well. It's really not a deal breaker if you're careful. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to take on small to medium projects. Skip this one if you need something for larger scale jobs or industrial work. At this price point, it offers great value for money. Now, if that slight clogging issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with more power and efficiency. Product number 2, Poxurio Airless Paint Sprayer. The Poxurio 1200 watt airless paint sprayer at $189.99. This caught my attention with its powerful motor and high pressure capabilities. If you want speed and efficiency for larger projects, this one's worth a look. The 1200 watt motor pumps out 1.2 liters per minute, which is 5 times faster than traditional rollers. Here's why this matters. If you're painting your garage or deck, you'll save so much time thanks to its high flow rate. With a pressure of 3,300 psi, it ensures an even spray, making it a perfect choice for both interior and exterior jobs. However, some buyers found it a bit heavy at 10 pounds, which can be tiring for extended use. But honestly, the trade-off is worth it for the power and performance you gain. If you're primarily working on large areas, the weight is manageable. This is ideal for someone who regularly takes on bigger DIY projects. Skip this one if you're just painting small pieces here and there, as it might be overkill for that. Considering the capabilities, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want efficiency without the bulk. Product number 3, Enocraft HVLP Paint Sprayer. The Enocraft Paint Sprayer, priced at $69.99. What really stood out to me is its user-friendly design and versatility. If you want a sprayer that's great for both beginners and pros, this is worth considering. With a powerful motor that delivers 15.8 GPH max flow and a translucent 1200 milliliter container, you can quickly check paint levels and get started. This means you won't waste time guessing how much paint you have left. Plus, it minimizes clogging, ensuring a smooth application with every use. However, a few users mentioned that it's not ideal for automotive projects. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily looking for a sprayer for home decor and furniture, this won't be an issue at all. Just stick to what it's designed for and you'll be happy. This is perfect for DIY newbies wanting an easy start without having to thin paint. Skip it if you need to work on cars or heavy-duty tasks. For its price, it balances performance and ease of use very well. Now, if you want something even lighter and easier to handle, the next product is definitely one to check out. Product number 4, Tilswall Electric Paint Sprayer. The fourth option is the Tilswall Paint Sprayer, available for $39.99. What I liked about this one is its lightweight design, making it easy to handle for long projects. If you want a comfortable, easy-to-use sprayer, this is a great choice. This sprayer is 47% lighter than traditional models, which means less fatigue during those long painting sessions. It features interchangeable nozzles and 3 spray patterns, allowing you to adapt based on your project, whether it's fine furniture or broad wall painting. But I did notice some complaints about needing to tighten the trigger screw to prevent air leaks. Honestly, as long as you remember to do that beforehand, it works well and should not hinder your experience. This is ideal if you're someone who tackles a variety of home projects and values comfort. Skip this if you're looking for something heavy-duty for professional use. For its price, it provides excellent versatility and ease of use. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle larger projects with ease, our last option might just be what you need. Product number 5, Graco Magnum X5 Paint Sprayer.
We have the Graco Magnum 262800X5, priced at $363.49. This one really caught my eye with its powerful capabilities, designed for serious DIYers. If you're looking for a sprayer that can handle larger projects with professional results, this is worth considering. It allows you to spray unthinned paints, which is a game changer for efficiency. The flexible suction tube lets you draw paint straight from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket, making it perfect for big jobs. Plus, it supports up to 75 feet of hose length, giving you the mobility you need without compromising performance. However, the price tag is definitely on the higher side, which may not suit everyone. But I'll be real with you. If you're someone who frequently takes on big projects, this could save you tons of time and hassle in the long run. This is excellent for serious DIY enthusiasts or professionals. Skip this one if you're just a casual painter looking for a simple sprayer. The investment is justified for its power and efficiency. In conclusion, we've explored a range of paint sprayers, from budget-friendly options like the Wibbentoll to heavy-duty choices like the Graco Magnum. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs.
To wrap it all up, if you're a beginner, the Wibbentoll and Tilswall are fantastic options. For more serious projects, the Poxy Rio and Graco Magnum offer the power you need, and the Inocraft strikes a perfect balance for versatility. Depending on what you need, there's definitely a paint sprayer for you in this list.